Today, twagala kwogera ku nsonga eya boundaries, how to set them, when to set them, why we should be careful why we should be careful for not setting them, nebivaamu singa oba tusettize boundaries. Emotional health, emotional wellness guide is our intent. Nothing else. Purely educational, motivational, empowerment, and that's it. So, wiki ewedde twatunuulira omulamwa ogwa, but before we go there, soka kuba kalangu banja kwelabira standard ko tuninga bwenti yinza okwelabira omulamwa. Sheraton Hotel is one of our partners. Buying a lot of amazing packages. They are so passionate about women's emotional health, women's happiness, as well as love as happiness. I'll bring you just one of the things they have in their packages. Sheraton Hotel Sundowners. At the end of every day, right before you go home, take a detour to the Sheraton Kampala and enjoy tasty combination that makes life worth living. Wine and steak, Rolex and beer, pizza and salads, nyama choma, kachai and chat, all at the Sheraton Hotel. At the Sheraton Hotel, there is always something for everyone. So, for your regular Saturday, Friday, weekend, you can just pass by there because these people are very passionate at their services to humanity, and that's what they do for a living, to make sure you have emotional health. Today is Friday, 19th of February, 2021. It's a Friday. It's an evening, 5:18. Natugenda kwogera ku mulamwa ogwa boundaries. So last Friday we talked about sexual intimacy and the values of sexual intimacy, why you should be very careful of how you relate in life by knowing the fact that emotional intimacy and sexual intimacy must work together for your harmony. February is the month of love, and we shall talk about love basically. Why? Because love is the ingredient of success. Without love, nothing in life makes sense. So, njagala ntabikemu olulimi Oluganda olusiku ngenda mu Luzungu. Oluganda ndwerabira, but I want to make this very common sense for everybody to understand. Twina theme, giving is love in action, in which we packed Valentine's hampers for most of our clientele who liked it, and in fact I got feedback. Five of my clients are getting wedded, and the gift sparked the love, the quick decision. So I told you, the gift opens up opportunities. So nasanyuse nnyo ng'abakyala bankubira, in fact bampise mbeerewo ku mikolo egyo. I was so happy because they took my advice. Kati mu abakyali abakodo waliwo obuzima. Love mujja ginoonya nnyo. Love is give, and there is nothing more than that. When you love, you give. When you give, you've loved. So twalina omulamu ogwo ogwa giving is love in action. Ate era twakola nnyo bikyewedde okulaba nti twatuusa ku bantu bonna abatuteekamu obwesige overseas n'abali wano okuba nti badelivalingira gift hampers zaabwe eri abaagalana. Era tubeebaza nnyo okuba nga mwaparticipatinga okuwulira kinagamba. You know, there is getting advice and acting on it, and there is getting advice and you keep it without acting on it. They acted. So we have 5 weddings so far this year. Yeah, they have already signed up. I look unserious, but I'm very serious. And of course, it's the work of the universe to make unserious things serious. So, ntera bagamba era nja kukiddamu. There are 5 dimensions of life management. 5. Nti obulamu bwo okubeeramu full n'ogamba nti wow, I have lived. Olina okubanga 5 dimensions zinoswadde attention. Katono, kanene, but try to be in each and every dimension. Tuina physical dimension, najibagamba eya physical body okubeera mulamu. Ne tuba ne mental dimension okubanga you have the rightful information, you're mentally upright, osobola okwawula ekirungi n'ekibi, okutoola, okugatta n'okukozesa information gy'ofunye in a very rightful way. Ne tuba ne financial dimension, nti olina okuba n'ensimbi ziyingira zitya zifuluma zitya naye tobeeramu nga tolina nsimbi, kiina kyekikolerera obulamu bwo. Ne tuba ne social dimension, which is my area of coverage, relationships, love relationships, friendships, family, workmates, parenting, anything concerned with your social dimension is what I cover. Kitegeeza kiringa ekitali important, but it gives happiness and it adds value to your life. That is where I am acting. Then lastly, we have the spiritual dimension, your relationship with your own spirit, kubanga etukula, enyirira, okolagana, and your relationship with God. And the relationship with your environment. Byonna byafectinga omwoyo gwo. Tujja tuukayo abalibeera nange emyaka mingi okuva kati. Ogwo omusomo guli wala. Tosobola kutuuka ku spiritual dimension nga totegedde enkolaganayo n'abantu bakwetoolodde ebeera wala nnyo. You first sort your social arenas to have a good relationship with God also. So you can't relate with God very well nga gwe wennyini abantu bano bakulebe. It's impossible. So we are in the social dimension. Associations, friendship, love relationships, anything concerned with the people, love, anything concerned with abantu abakwetoolodde ekyetuta social dimension. Tujja tambula mpola mpaka wetunatuuka kweyo dimension esembayo waggulu, which is spiritual. So which ewedde nabagambe twayiga abataaliwo: physical intimacy, emotional intimacy, mental intimacy, and emotional intimacy. Twabyawula. Our major emphasis was emotional intimacy. Nembagamba nti toyawulanga emotions physical intimacy. With physical I meant S3X. Waliangamba tayakategeera atuse 3A efukenga E. Our answer jijewo. So you cannot have a fulfilling life, a happily emotional life in any love relationships. You must have both physical intertwined with emotional. Kitegeeza olina okubiblendinga wamu. Bw'okijjako ekimu, it becomes what? Abuse, narcissism, you lie yourself. And that's what most of us were doing. So we learned the difference between the mind activators. Nabawa stimuli z'okozesa singa oba oyagala obwongo bufuuke creative. Kuba twali tusoma ku nsebe eyo ne mbagamba nti omuntu engaginga mu physical intimacy alina okuba nga amanyi lwaki akyengaginga in. Ne mbagamba nti eyamba to stimulate the mind. Obeere nga okolaganya bulungi upstairs. Kitegeeza abantu abalina obusungu bakutukako waya aluzize amaanyi agakola. Eyo video mugende muginoonye YouTube. Bingi twasoma ewa sound health, ewa continuity of the humankind. A lot of things come out of physical intimacy. If you missed this video, musobola okugenda ku YouTube channel Mariam Nabuja, the ladies guide, jagisangayo, olabe, osome, oyige, muleme kubeera mu bintu byomutategeera. You see, you become a slave to that which you don't know. You become, when you're ignorant of any subject, you become a slave to it. Era ekibonyabonya abantu mulabo tamanya zikyengezaako okubasosootolera wano. By the end of this course, abalibeera nange, love is going to become clear. Ng'oli automatic, mugende mukole sente, mukole investment, mukole zikali yange omyo giri wamu okusinga okutabula love n'emirimu, and productivity goes down. By the way, most of the productivity in the workplace is determined by emotional issues. Because if somebody is emotionally down, omuntu nga takolagana, tosobola muntu makola kulimu. They will be stuck in another arena. Alete ebintu byewaka n'abireeta mu workplace and they will lose productivity. So the basis of this course is to make sure that you're emotionally healthy, which means you're mentally healthy. Mental and emotional are the same, because when I talk about emotional, I'm talking about psychological. Obwongo obukola bulungi n'ennewulire bannungi, obwongo bwebugana okukola bulungi ennewulire ekyuka. Oli wakwabyuzinga okyeta munnewulira, omuntu wakusanyusa okyeta munnewulira. So if you're emotionally happy, healthy, kitegeeza you can do a lot of things in life. And that's why this course is the basis of your emotional wealth. And that's our slogan. And Ladies Guide, emotional wellness is our purpose. So twabisoma wiki ewedde eyamisinga, go to that link gyeba sharing the Nancy Gajena. You'll visit that link and find out what we talk about sexual intimacy, or what you can call physical intimacy, and the value of that in your life. If in case it's your very first time on the channel, subscribe for more future videos that is going to grow you, that is going to develop your mind, empower you positively for a happy relationship life. So byetwasoma wiki eyo byebyo, those were the things that took place. Valentine's was celebrating byagwa. Valentine we yagwa mwalaba mazima. Mwategera nti waliwo abantu abali bogera I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, but tebakitegeeza bigambo bugambo. I love you, but they disappeared that day and it was a Sunday. So mwabategera bulungi. So in the basis of today, twagala kusoma about boundaries. The moment you say that you're in love with somebody, you're having a relationship with someone that seems so confusing, the relationship, tomanyi oba gwani, tomanyi oba yakulimba oba tiyakulimba, kitegeeza that you are setting a boundaries. Otandika ekintu kino. Remember, the moment somebody gets into your emotional boundary, aba ayingidde. When I say emotional boundary, I mean ayingidde mu ndowooza. Asooka wano n'ayingira mu neewulira. Wano. Mebo, tuli fena? Asooka kuyingira wano. Bw'amala oyingira wano n'ayingira wano. Wano omunenyezaawo bwereere, omutima tegulina buzibu. The heart is to pump blood. To pump blood. Akati bwemugamba, oh, my heart has been broken, he really messed my heart. He messed your mind. Yayingira wano n'ayingira wano. So today we want to study about boundaries. Healthy relationship boundaries. Boundaries for healthy relationships. If you want to live happy, ngowulire okuye abanazi, n'okoowa abusers, users, whatever you call them, losers, you need to set boundaries, my dear friend. Olina okuba ensalosalo mulamu gwo. Lwaki nkugambye ayingira wano n'ayingira wano, tasooka wano n'ayingira wano, ayingira mutwe, omutwe bwe bakuyingiramu, which is mental, oli nalyoka ayingiramu emotions, n'akuba mutima ennewulya n'ekyuka, and then you get in issues. So bagamba toli mwavu, omutwe gwo gwe mwavu. The brain is the problem. So we are going to start changing the paradigm in your brain. Okyuse endowooza yo. Okukyawa omuntu baida ekyamu, simanyi lwaki abantu bazibwalira. Nekibalaga mu katabo kange kali. Emotional happiness. Kyangu nnyo. You just change it here and here will change. These two are related, the heart and the brain. Gwe mulama kwa Ladies Guide. Ove wano oyingire wano. Ova wano oyingire wano. Don't you go with the heart. The heart lies because it doesn't even think. It just feels. It just feels. So as a woman, you are an emotional being. Kubanga abakyala tukozesa neewulira. Tuwuliriza. Neewulira. Wano tugendayo katono. Be clear. Speed webeli waggulu munninya kukigenga kansala agenda kumpulaawo. Speed yange eri waggulu bango obwongo budduka. So when you talk about emotional boundaries, or setting boundaries nyingi nnyo. If I talk about boundaries, we may not end this session. Zonna nga nziyiwa. So tugenda ku concentrating on only one area of boundaries. So tutandike. What is a boundary? Okuba ensalosalo mu nkolagana yo n'abantu kyeki kubanga ensalosalo tuzimanyi ku mayumba, ensalosalo tuzimanyi ku boda za nsi, ensalosalo tuzimanyi ku poloti, tetuzimanyi nti zikola mu nkya mulaavu yogikuba otya ngaoli oba oli omwagala. How do you wake up in the morning to draw a boundary with someone you feel you love? Omutima gubaguba naye wasooka olijja tusooke tukuba ensalosalo agamba are you mad? Don't you see? We are in love. Come on. Why? Boundaries. How to avoid emotional confusion. Set boundaries. So boundaries is a space between you and the other person. So kensirikiriremu awo nansubuka kawandiike waawo njaga kubeera kiriya space eyo wewali obuzibu. Abakazi bagitirira ddala, abakyala abawala batira ddala kibayita space boundary bagitya. Wanaamugamba agenda kudduka wenna ayogera kyenjagala ayinza okunkyawa n'agenda ewa Jane naye nenfikira akantu ako simanyi lwaki mukatya. I wish I could jump out of my skin enyingira mu buli omu wano. If you knew the truth, you could set boundaries. A boundary is a space between you and the other person, or between them and you. So they take care of you. Boundaries ziyamba gwe. Sorry, was setting it up. Ziyamba gwe nti owange wano tujja okoma, wano wojja otandikira, wano wojja okoma, wano wojja etandikira. Bino sijja kubisobola, bino nja bisobola. Naye lwaki tukyozoogerako? Then mulinda okuvuka relationship 25 years in the marriage nolokweka boundary after 25 years nga nekintu kyafaafafadde. Boundaries, the space between you and your partner. Nziramu bajukiza muleke kweriba wano waliwo truth. When two people are in love, when two people get married, when two people get into a romantic relationship, you are individuals. It doesn't take away the fact that you have individualities. You're not born together. You're not twin brothers and sisters. You're not twin bichi bichi. You are two different people of two different backgrounds with two different everything being joined by a heart and perhaps bodies. So you may think boundaries are not important until when somebody has overstepped the boundaries. Ensalo ziyamba kukwekazikuba. So sorry wozikubira. Ensalo mu nkolagana yo n'abantu kitegeeza yeeyo space. Space mu Luganda bakiyita batya space. Ekigambo space mu Luganda nkyakinoonya. Ebbanga wakati wo n'omuntu oli watagenda kulinnya nawe wotajja kulinnya musigaze enkolagana ey'omulembe ng'eri healthy. So bw'oba tokubya ensalosalo gwaba yebbye ate gwaba yeri oli tolina kyogenda paka nga bitabuse. So boundaries take care of you. That's one. Boundaries help you to define what you are comfortable with and what you're not comfortable with. How do you like to be treated and how others should be treated. Bino biringa oluzungu naye amazima gali nti ensi zetulimu ensi yakuze dda tuli ku technology kati. Kati gwe olembera mu biri ebya 1962 nga tuli mu 2021 mu mulembe ogujjudde Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, email, Watsapp biki gwali mu nsobi. Tulina okwakupuletinga n'omulembe. So boundaries okuba ensalosalo defining ebintu byotagenda sobola byonaasobola naye olina zicommunicatengirawo oba singa oba realize that relationship egana n'ogamba sijja kubisobola ojja kubisobola kati weerimbye. So the intention of today ndi mukwanjula sinatandika Nyandula. Hey, to learn the definition of boundaries, the different kind of boundaries, the importance of boundaries, it is going to help you to avoid emotional confusion in your life. Omuntu okuyingiza ekintu nga kiringa love naye nga si love, nga kiringa business partnership naye nga kiringa love, nga kiringa love naye nga business partnership, nga kiringa kifaanana nga samona ekiro kifaanagana. You're going to get out of that bullshit. Clarity is what we need in life. Manya wokoma. Hey. Omanye nti sijja kola business na musajja mufumba nga ndi single bagenda kuba. The other ones are having a partnership which has a documentation you're investing in that relationship without even knowing it. And then later on, I've been duped, I've been flipped, I've been used. The stories will begin on and on and on. So mulama gw'olwaliro kugenda kujja mu kavuyaabwe. It will help you to become a better partner in your social relationships. Oleme kumenya banne. Tugenda kuyiga how to communicate your boundaries. Gatotisiza mu mulala. Mpola ayingiremu. Mugambe naye munnange mukwano. Kwagala naye bino nga ndaba nti you're going to start communicating your boundaries. Mubuntu bulamu naye ng'ogoba kavuyo. In other words, the lesson today, our session today is kugoba kavuyo mu bulamu. Why the mind hates confusion. There is that part of the mind, because it's a scientific name. Even make uninformed judgments. We're going to setting up boundaries. What they can make with that. Take a choke gamba nenda. Ogamba nenda bajagambo ino lugezigezi. Bajagambo ine mpisebe. Tori muntu mulamu. That's slogan in Africa. And they ride you on. They ride you on. They ride you on. And who cares? I told you life is about you. Nobody cares. Maybe your mother. And God. So life is about you. So boundaries that you can soma. Ensalo zigenda kuyamba okugoba akavuyo mu bulamu bwo. Lastly, you're going to become a better relationship partner and you're going to be the best at relationships. Toba na kavuyo n'abantu. Tobeera mu buvuyo n'abantu. Tokayana n'abantu. Toyombagana n'abantu bango wakubadde ensalo. Si mu family, si mu mikwano, si ku mirimu gy'okola, si mu romantic partner gwokolagana naye. Buli wamu oba wali marketing order. Okola ebirala. So, bottom line, I'm helping you to save time. Okukubagana okwo mu relationship. Kwonoona ebiseera. Imagine 24 hours a day ng'okyawa omuntu. Ng'owulira obusungu n'alyako 12 hours. Even your health, by the way. N'alyako 12 hours. Mukayana. Nja kumulaba. Anjooga atya. Yabisizaamu amaaso. Nakuyisizaamu amaaso. Those kind of arenas. Itugenda okujjawo olwaleero. So health boundaries are those boundaries you set to make sure that you're mentally and you're emotionally stable. So olwaleero byetugenda okusoma bigenda kulaga ng'oli mentally and emotionally enewulira ng'oli stable. Kati omuntu ali mentally stable ng'oli emotionally stable lwaki togenda n'okola ssente kyekigaana leka omuntu akutawaanya wano ojja kulaba kinakulukako. If somebody beats your mind, if somebody makes you busy upstairs here abakumazi, and you should protect this here, this box here. When you protect here, you protect the heart. So, byetuli mu kusoma olunaku olwaleero nti tugeza ku avoiding a confusion that comes with different relationships because we did set boundaries. Mariam Naguja, the ladies guide, eyebadde nyanjula. So we have three kinds of boundaries. Zijaga kutegekesira olwaleero. Ziri nyingi. Tujja kulondamu emu yokka tulande bweyo. Sabit. Bele bweyo. Just go. So tugenda soma zino. Otunule bulamu bwo wetunulire. Wowe wayita mu nsalosalo wegulira amazima. Zinabagamba sirimba. Sirimba. We have emotional boundaries. Boundaries zogenda okuba byenneewulira byo abantu batalina kuyingira. Ne tuba ne boundary eziri physical mu space ey'obulamu bwo, omubiri gwo, ani anaakusemberera, ani ataakusemberere, ani anaakukwatako mawa. Ezo gye ziri. Jjukira mbagambye nti boundary ziyamba ggwe okugoba akavuyo, okweraliikirira omuntu okutabulatabula wamu. We don't want confusion. Era bw'owulira ng'oyagala bugagga banne mbaddiramu abakyala. Bw'oba oyagala bugagga, oyagala leadership, oyagala kukulaakulana, asita olya kuba akavuyo wano aba mumaze. Mulwanyise nnyo ekintu eky'omuntu akugiramu emotions n'aconfusinga wano n'amenya omutima aba mumaze. Ebisigadde, it will take another 5 years, 10 to renew yourself. So we have emotional boundaries, we have physical boundaries, we have digital boundaries. Digital, we are on Facebook. All of us are Facebook's friends. We have 5,000 this many Facebook friends. But are those 5,000 Facebook friends the right people for you to share with your personal life? I have 10,000 friends on Facebook. Should I post my personal life because you're all my friends? Hey, that's loss of boundary. You must separate your professional life from your personal life. Life has dimensions and life has departments. Tikati ndi ku mulimu njakwogera nabo bwingi. Kakati abewaka bamanyi bwe bati. If you don't separate your life and then you bring it in a mixture, confusion. So we have emotional boundaries, we have physical boundaries, and then lastly we have digital boundaries. Izo nsukonyeko bugonyi. Digital bagande social media. Wali wagira ku WhatsApp na kuuza information. Are you supposed to give them the information about you? I'm from Facebook. I'm your friend on Facebook. Then I come into your phone. Hello, yes. By the way, where do you live? Can you give me your PIN number to this? Okay, we are friends on Facebook, but a true friend, never defining who is a friend is. As long as you've not met somebody in face to face, or you've not exchanged voice, that's merely a digital friend. Digital. Digital. If you're within relationships on Facebook, picking loved ones, it will end on Facebook. Where from them. And that's the rule. Namusala ku WhatsApp mu group, mwechaira mu group. Ababa take out it. You will never go against the rules because they are written. Big boundaries. So we are going to put our emphasis on emotional boundaries because we are in an emotional lecture, on an emotional show. So second agenda mubirala tubere ku emotional boundaries. And please note, if you feel you fear talking about boundaries with your loved ones, buli walabanga weeralikira okugamba munno amazima gwogamba gweyagala kubanga ajja kukyawa manya that is unhealthy relationship. Eyo enkolagana gy'olimu eri unhealthy. Bw'olabanga munno gw'ogamba nti nkwagala tosobola mweyabululiza kwogera mazima nga bw'oli akwagale nga bw'akulaba n'ofoojinga face enfu ayagale face enfu because oyagala akwagale. That is not a healthy relationship. By the way, not because love is truth. One day that face will come off. Ajja kulaba the truth. One day era still ajja kumala akoze akuchai. So why don't you through you what should I get through you kwakwagalenga bwakulaba that before than wasting a lot of time faking. Truth is what we preach here. Truth is love. Truth. Love teleta bulimba. Asitola bango oli mu bulimba weefudde ekyotali eri munno. Weero bannange togera mazima. Togera mazima. So the reason of emotional boundaries is to avoid emotional confusion and emotional drain. Oli najjanga business partner, tukole business wamu. Nesi kwagala. Tuli mulaba nti yes, just business, yes business. Ne mutandika. Muba mwatandika down the road, ne mucrossing a boundary ne mugina mulaba. Mwatandikira wa? Partnership. Biyingide mu kye? Love. Gye mukwera omukumwenga bye munne. Through cheating anything. Because the way a relationship begins is the way it will end. If it is a rule. You can never change things in between. In between, the way that you live. So boundaries together, you must be alert. Alertness is on your emotional health. Kitegeeza omuntu yenna ayingira obulamu bwo ng'aleesa akabuyo oba obulamu bwamulabye dda omugamba ddala oli serious yoga business partnership nti ye aze nti tukolagane ffeka just bya ssente. Okay, oli ki nti ndi mufumbo naye nze ndi single ate mukyala wo ayo tabiriiko. Don't take that for granted. Never. Ate mwami wo nti ayo mwami tabifaako. Don't take that for granted. The other one is a marriage. You are single and you're investing in the family. Your efforts. Your efforts. And that is cheating. Boundaries. Tuchagenda maso. Mariam Nabuja, the ladies guide. Nabagamba mulaba nga asinga mulawo mujjako ne mumbulira. Tuned. Tuned to the spirit. Say, change your bagamba, bantu midwa. I don't just bring topics for sure. No. I first see what is happening. So emotional boundaries zigenda kuyamba open a healthy relationship. If a boundary seeks to protect you, to respect you, that's a good boundary. Because that's what you're seeking in life. Single banga oli mu relationship where your voice is not heard. Tosobola kwogera kwa wona yogera omuntu agenda kwabika ayase ebintu. It doesn't matter whether you keep quiet for so long. One day the project biasa, and that one would even be worse than single wasala okati. Akati okwerimba okululongo town abantu benimba year 1 year 2 year 3 never rimba ngabulira kufa one day. The videos tujimala tujiteka ku YouTube ujagisanga. It is going to be there for centuries, as long as YouTube lives. Mwemudanga mne visit. You visit it. Remember me and you get the neighbor. Okay? So if a relationship seeks to control you, if a boundary seeks to control you, togenda wamwe saga kwa bakwanigo toina kwenda basajja opposite sex mikwano gyo opposite sex saga kulaba n'abakyala mikwano gyo omuntu abola ebigambo ebyabayogera ebyo manya oli naye ali insecure. Boundaries alese ziyamba ye controlling them. That's not a good boundary. So even boundaries are unhealthy or healthy. Oli ayinza okuba ensalosalo nga zizze kumaliriza togenda wamwe sikulaba ng'ofuluma emukikomera togenda buli mukola siiba waka saagala mukazi akola. All those slogans they are seeking to control you. Before you realize he's your God, she's your God, and they ride you on. Don't forget, human nature is a lie. They lie. They never give what they promised because they change every day. There's growth. Life is moving. Technology is coming. Watsapp is people are throwing profile pictures on there, and somebody changes, and they are forgotten their agreement. So there is a lot of pain in people's lives because of depending on what others say in a gentleman's agreement. One gabako some love together to where emotions making decisions using emotions is wrong. Emotions by themselves are not bad because they just happen. Omuntu okwewulira n'asalawo munneewulira si kibi kubanga enneewulira ebeze. However, ekibi kwe kusalawo ng'okozesa emotions ku kintu ekigenda okuwonya obulamu bwo n'obuusa amaaso ebibiri n'obikkiriza n'obikkabika n'omaliza ng'ekintu kyabise kirina okwabika zinako okwerika n'erimbalimba n'enkoowa kati njogera mazima I got tired era ekigoma nkiddemu I don't even waste time because my emotional health is key. That is the engine of my life. The more confusion I get, the more you can't function. It's not worth it. Waliwo omukyala yankabiza amazige mabega kaawe story njogera oba sijogera sijja kwogera mannya ge just this young lady makes her money, runs the business, Guy azambye obusente bwa mpola guy n'abuka n'agenda e Bulaaya. Byonna nno omuwala yabikola. She had to disclose yesterday. Yali teyakimalirayo. Bakyokwogera amazima nti baba kati jonga ekintu kyabikidde ddala nga kiwedde nayogera amazima. Olw'amazina amulimbalimba. I think he used her vulnerability. Genda kutwala e Bulaaya tunda business eyo jangu tubeere eno story west. Bagenda kujjanja. This girl has a heart problem. This girl has a minor heart problem. It's minor, but as long as it's on the heart, it's not minor. It's growing every day. So lyamulimbe nkufunidde abasawo biki weleza sente tunda. Omwana n'atunda business yonna. Now she was here in my office showing me the papers. Receipts zeyaweleza ku sente. Oli story. Bwamala ozifuna natandika omuleetera bi stories. Obanote baliwo. Akatojja kumikiza ite ebisukaga. Ayina sente zimala n'omunjani ndala. The girl was left in the street. She got confused. As in Yankulechi, Ngendewa, Ngende, Bambina, Banya took the one getting out of what? Nemoka Wado Mercedes Wado was that. What was in your mind? Nagam now dang into simple. I was fearing Nayenga, I'm a sima Gavadega Jobs. Nemoka was Yamukubi Dekaba, Yamu occupying that they occupy your mind. When the man was taken. And she's back to zero. She has to begin like the way. And that is one woman. One lady. Those stories are many. But why this one stood out from all? Just no woman. Emotion, I mean, health. Woman, I got a question. In fact, maybe he's going to use that money to marry someone else. Maybe he's going to do what? But the money went. And he's still calling this girl, lying her on emotions, telling her, I love you after taking her money. I know staying in touch to show you that which I want. That's stupidity. Bullshit. I wish I could meet this man. I don't know. So when you're going to put boundaries, to me, even business engagements with who? Who are you agreeing to do business with? Friendship love, partnership. Friends, we are lovers, but let's do a partnership. What a mess is that? You can never add love and money. Those are two enemies. They don't mix. Where there is love and money mixed, that is danger. One is going to steal another. And one is going to go into emotional pain. Mutufu omwana oli yange Mariam sigasa akulaba. Badde nga bakoleshi. Kubanga kyajja kiridinga. Ne mugambe kino nganda ekintu kirikiriyo. Waliwo obubbi obugenda mu maaso. Nekibanga love, nekibanga ekitali love. Nekibanga ekiddamu love, nekibanga ekitali love. Omwana binary, the whole thing went. I'm closing it down. So when I'm talking about emotional happiness, emotional health, I know what I'm talking about. And it was going to take her another 10 years, I am sure 10 years, to ever build that business again. 10. Even married couples, about remember. So being emotionally in control is the first step to boundaries. Or you know, only emotionally in control of yourself or setting a boundary. You can have a yes, but the boundary should not be crossed. Kubanga waliwo obuzogenda okujja. Ndi mwagalwawo tukole business fenna kubanga tweyagala. Who will pay the bills? Who will pay the bank loan we took? Who will? All the things matter. Love doesn't pay for that. Love doesn't pay. But it doesn't pay. Omwana business here with the work. Totally. In only a few days, one and come like 2 months back, where do you want it? Yes, I'm going to some judges and you, yes, I can do some going to Baba Jagamoli Muslim or what I understood to was all was an emotional mess, but in the emotions. Especially when a woman and you're kind, this girl is kind. As to manage is a one. It's quitting up in you, somebody can come and take out whatever you have, and they leave you on zero. And better you will suffer, you will suffer. You will cry, pray, what you're now young people, but you will go through that process. And she's going to go through it. What hurt me is she has a health problem which needs money. I will need and then So boundaries zaki kwewala bintu ebyo. Tosobola kujja kugamba nti tukole business dealing with you ogende kumpapula tusairinge tompasangako. This wasn't a married person, I mean married couple. It was a friends of association into an agreement of business which involves money, and lastly somebody cheated another. What we have been on. And there are a lot of stories out there because many don't come out to talk. It happened yesterday. So I want you to understand that when I talk about boundaries in a relationship, signing a business association with somebody as who? What are we? What are we? I'm declaring it. Are we friends? Are we friends with the benefits? Yeah? Are we going to get married? Or am I funding somebody for the future? It's happening a lot. There's a lot of use. And today I'm introducing to a new term. What a every time you see yourself in that kind of shit in the nature of Gogamba, Kansala Yangamba, Chinobachita, utility. A chikambo utility. Chechinchebakozesa. Ge masanyalaze, ge mazi, ge TV, DSTV, Sasula, ge data, all those are utilities. Companies that supplying government processor to visit a utility company. National Water, Umeme, MTN, Airtel, whatever, those are utility companies. They supply you what you're using. But even in relationships, in about become a relationship, there is a type of a relationship they call a utility relationship of utility. Chetwandi ise wandi kechigamba oyisa uya utility kati yongera kechigambo utilitarian. Utilitarian kiba mu kigambo utility. Womala okubera utility relationship yoli mbagita utilitarian. Ani akozesa ani? As in your being used to be a means to an end. Uli agenze mulaya lista tunda business eyompereza sente omuforward abagenda kata bagenda munsi yawe wenda esimbala okutambula munsi okugenda munsi eyongereyo. Utilitarian. Sawuya kiwandikawo UTILTARIAN. Utilitarian relationships or relationships of utility. Sina ya ability relationship eri babanja utilitarian. Nti oli obanga go supplying amasanyalaze mazzi bichi utility is something of use. So tuve ku narcissism is abuse of emotions, but utilitarian omuntu ali mu utilitarian relationship yoyo gwe bakozesa as a means to an end. I'm supporting you to become this utility, and that is a lot. In this day and age, in this era, utilitarian relationships are a lot. To call a business wamo, tumaloga business, ebe kula kula ngomu awasomulala, unajiduka munga mujigala because of masomo mukolache. And somebody's heart is broken forever. Wagamba video not kilia waited. Zinganda video kilia. How's the video? Utilitarian. Women are following under that category. Yeah? Utilitarian. Utilitarian. And the people who fall into that category of relationships is because they never set what? Boundaries. In the beginning, namuyingiza ekintu kya utility nafuuka utilitarian relationship nefuuka relationship of utility nga supplying amasanyalaze water bichi yaka bichi. People don't enter that bullshit. No matter how hard your heart is pumping ulina kuba amasanyalaze. Don't forget they don't work. Obwerera mu mwana yakabya amazika the girl right I wish I would help this girl. The lady told me understand. She has to go for surgery. Somebody has taken her money. Inandi badanga mantani. But they yali yajja kudanga yabingamba da. Utilitarian. So, please note, love is an emotion that clouds reasoning. Love is an emotion that clouds reasoning. Love is an emotion that clouds reasoning. Tiwobeera mukwano olekerawo okulowooza. Kitegeeza buli decision gy'okwesanga oli mu love is wrong. Sindika, tunda, but I love you, honey. Utilitarian. So our feelings do not address the important questions in relationships. In fact, feelings make us avoid the truth. And many of you are insisting on lies. This video is going on YouTube. Mariam, the ladies' guide. I'm a counselor. I take care of your emotional health. Follow this page, like it, and share it with your other friends. It's purely educational, purely empowering, purely emotional happiness. I don't post anything else more than that. So whenever you're having feelings or an emotional attraction over a man or over a woman, don't forget your reason is clouded. 2 plus 2 equals what? 2 plus 2 equals what? 4. The answer 4 didn't come from the heart, it came from the what? The head. So take it that even when you're in a relationship, or kufuna truth, we not put there what? But don't forget, when it comes to truth, you have to go back to the head. What are the signs of a narcissistic man? No matter how much he's giving you that electricity in the body, but he is a narcissist. Okay? So, when we talk about emotional, when we talk about things that pertain emotional issues, so you will not say, when you fall in love, your feelings are high, you're emotionally attracted to this person, it takes away the fact that they may be a wrong person. And so person, what can you do? Truth. So you cannot set boundaries when you're still guided by your feelings. But the woman is guided by feelings. Emotional boundaries is a setting a boundaries. You know? Truth. So no matter how much you're getting emotional attraction to this man, to this woman, I see the biggest number of my fans are women. I made a research. So the more you get emotional attraction to this man, don't forget, truth about the person and the situation is very important. The fact that he is a narcissist will not take away the fact no matter how much feelings you have for that person. How is it? Sound heavy. Holy God. So emotional attraction in this sense is not bad. Emotionally, attracted. However, what is bad is not accepting the truth about this person. I'm so sorry, but she didn't understand the truth. So emotions clouded reasoning, and last the money was taken, and she's back on zero, and she has to begin again. So two three kinds of relationships. We have utilitarian relationships, relationships of utility or for utility. We have relationships of pleasant or pleasure. Then we have relationships of virtue or virtuous relationships. Relationships is omulamwa. Ezikuza, ezikola maaso, emikwano nga omutuuka ko tumogera bizimba. Ngabo ze ku ladies guide. Tekuliko kakuyo, kireta bitagasa. We only build you. That is our slogan here. So we have utility relationships where for what am I getting out of you, and now we know what am I getting from this. The moment what you're getting from each other ceases, it ends the relationship. Okugeza singa mbeera atunda misumali nga sawuya atunda azimba mayumba naye nga buli wajja okungulako emisumali tukupamu awo ku mbuuzi n'agula emisumali muwe emisumali n'agitwala nange nenfuna sente z'emisumali gyange. Enkolagana yange ne sawuya ebeera utility. Lwaki? Kubanga anjijako emisumali n'agenda okuzimba nange ne mujjako sente zikula emisumali gyange, kye bayita utility. So in other words, the friendship between me and Sawuya is a utility friendship. Singa nkeera n'enzira mu ngoye nga sikyatunda misumali naye nga Sawuya akyazimba mayumba, mba sikyali mukwano gwe. That's the best example I can give. Kitegeeza kaya atekola emikwano egyagala okula engoye. That's how relationships are moving now. So oli bw'amala okujja mu bulamu bwo ne muzimba enkolagana basing on utility. The moment what I want from you ceases, they end the relationship and they jump on somebody else. And this is happening a lot. That's why your mommy against agenda kuwasa mulala. Ngiyamaze. Ajja muli mwawo omwaka nga gumu ku simu ku message I love you honey but you know forgive me. Relationships of pleasure are those relationships where someone comes for you for pleasure. You got the same sport, you enjoy the same music, you got the same association. Pleasure just nayo lunaku lwolifiirwa talinyayo toba tolina mugaso. Oba olunaku lwobanga tokyalina sente zikutwala mu pleasure tolina mugaso. Omukwano gugweddeo. Those are relationships of pleasure. Banywerera mu bbala lyemu, banywa emyenge gyegimu, bagenda mu bifo byebimu, bagenda mu zikirabu zezimu, byakunyumirwa parties naye nga temuliimu kintu kiyinza bagatta for long term. Remember, we build relationships for long term, not for short term. If I am your friend, there must be a reason to connect us deeply than just pleasure. So relationships of pleasure, zezo. Oba pleasant relationship ezijjanga bali kunyumirwamu katini. They always change cycles. So people you call your friends are lying to you. Those are just pleasure friendships. They will end when you get problems. They will end when you lose a job. They will end when you're not giving them anything. Those are just pleasure. And lastly, relationships of virtue. Ezekuzimba. Oli ayagala okukulakula mu communicating ebigendererwa byammwe ne mukwatagana. Bwe mumala okukwatagana oli n'agamba waaw gundi nanzimbye munnange. Ng'olaba nti n'obulamu bwe butuuse ensonga eyo eri ku muntu oli. Those are relationships of virtue. Ate zentono. Ze mutawana budde. Tubayita musome wano ku ladies guide temwagala. Naye singa kino kibadde kikunuka kya music. Abantu abantu bakubako bwe bati amagezi sigabo. That's why nange saagala nnyo bantu kubeera bantu. Why? Because the wisdom is not for everybody. It's not for everybody. It's for the few who value it, because they are supposed to be few in any way. It's supposed to be few. Value is for few, not for everybody. So relationships of virtue, or virtuous relationships, zeze zikuzimba. So buli woba olina omuntu gwokolagana yogamba ono wa virtue, ono wa pleasure, oba ono wa utility. So you're going to ride yourself around that. Yeah? Olusi gwe utility, gwafula banno utility, gwe pleasure, oba gwayagala banno pleasure. It is always around that. So those are the 3 types of relationships we build. Either oli mu friendship eya pleasure, eya utility, oba eya virtue. Oba oli mu relationship eya pleasure, eya utility, oba eya virtue. But our area of concern today is utility, but with boundaries. To be clear, virtual relationships, not visual. Nanso lugajina tokabula class. Virtual. Ekigambo virtue kitegeeza ekintu ekirina omuwendo omugaso. Something with moral value. Something which is growing you in a positive way. Virtue, a virtuous woman, a virtuous relationship. Ekintu ekikuza mu Uganda. So a relationship which is a utilitarian, ekigambo ekyo kinene. Utilitarianism, utilitarian or utility, ekintu ekikozesebwa. A relationship in terms of how useful you are to that person. Singa omugaso gugwawo nga mukoze mutya nga mukoma. So there is a lot of utilitarianism in people, in relationships nowadays. Abantu bali mukwerimba bekozesa balimba bali mulavu nenga bekozesa. Ampacho nanga mukiri. If not kamujjako kino ukimala okufuna nga abula utilitarian akakagamo kaba wadde nabasomesa narcissism nemugikwata yekwalanga na emotion oli ayuza omwoyo naye utilitarian yo yajjanga alina kyabaza tujja kigazibyako in the future olwayo tuli kusingira ddala ku boundaries. So many friendships, many dating relationships, many marriages today are so fragile and don't even last because of utilitarianism. Buli omwe akozesa muno oli wakitegeera nti omukozesanga akola kye kaduka bulijjo animba katonda yakitegedde leero nti bamukozesa bulijjo byali bya bulimba 8 years we wasted of time yategedde walinga ngaawo bulijjo ali kukino okutegeera nti bamukozesa utilitarianism. So to avoid being used in a relationship is to set what? Boundaries. So buli wobeera mu utilitarian relationship is because wali swept off by emotions. Emotions kitegeeza nti omuntu wamulaba n'akwattractinga emotionally n'ayigira mu ndowooza yo n'ebigambo oba n'ebikolwa by'omulimba n'okkiriza, and then they took over your mind, your heart, your emotions, and you gave there your gold. Ono mwana ayagala nnyo omusajja oyo bambe musajja zamwede ziragala awo yamwagaladde nnyo mwagala nnyo bambe, but it doesn't save the fact that it was a utilitarian relationship. Tukole business fenna bw'omala okukola sente zimpereze bwe nkulekere zero. What a mess, what a mess. Funirawa is utilitarian byebingi kati sibannanga abakyala mwegendereze. Out of 10, 9 of women are reporting the same cases of utilitarianism. Utilitarianism in relationships. So when you fail to control your emotions, when you're not in control of your emotions as a woman, guess what? You don't set boundaries or what yet. Agenda kuduka. And what happens next? They make you a utility company. No supplying a beta. If you fail to see the red flags, because emotions zigani, you ignore boundaries that are even supposed to protect you. And lastly, what? Utilitarian. Utility. So today's area of concern is boundaries are helping everybody to get out of that utility. Thing. What are we in this chi thing? It's a chi thing. A definition. I don't know why we don't understand that. As long as a relationship has no definition. Nabagamba mukatabo kange, ladies guide to fulfilling relationships. A relationship has a definition. You're either a wife, a courtesan, a prostitute, or a girlfriend, but nothing in between. So if someone says I love you, but you're not married, what are we? The next question should be, what are we? What in your position? Because I told you, the rewards you're getting out of a relationship must be in proportion. For free. And there's no even future. Nothing benefiting. And you call that a relationship. Already about Mazokudi marketing. You're either a girlfriend, a prostitute, or a courtesan. But you're not my wife. So why do you go into such a relationship where there is nothing for you to benefit in a lie of emotional attraction? What the hell is that? Wake up. The money that she's supposed to use in treatment is sent to somebody because of a heart affair, and this person is going to even marry another person, and she will even be forgotten that she was part of that celebration. Who are you in a relationship? Is the first question. Are you a wife? The longer we stay in a lie, the harder it gets when the day comes. When a relationship is asking you questions, who are we? What are we? Where are we going? Even if it's important. It doesn't matter whether people fear to be alone. That sort of kind of women fear being alone, because everyone is supposed to be married. But when you're in a thing, it is a thing. A chintu chafe. Tichikwatagana. Definition. If it doesn't have a definition, in that thing, you better set boundaries. We didn't communicate it. Avatar Ladies Guide. I know everyone here must have read it. Fulfilling relationships and true happiness. What are we in a relationship? Understanding your role and your rewards. Temuswala. Obulumi bwongo okadiye ngoli alone with no money, with an empty bank account will be so painful. Because remember, a woman's old age, money becomes your beauty. So you are better right now taking charge of your life when you still have a chance than waiting in your old age because you never set boundaries. And even life, even prayer to God, that you think which has no definition means boundaries. Even when you're in a marriage and there is no definition of a boundary, that is a thing at one point. This thing. Wake up. Utilitarian relationships can happen in marriages. Utilitarian relationships happen between two friends with no boundaries. Utilitarian relationships can happen between two associations which have no boundaries. Utilitarian relations can happen between two co-workers without boundaries. Utilitarian can happen anywhere as long as there is no boundary. You become a utility. That's my message to you today. So boundaries are not meant to make you unhappy or to make you stringent. Boundaries are helping you to be mentally and emotionally stable. One. It's going to take you 10 years to build that business again. 10. I think we'll jump. Mariam, the Ladies Guide. tusharinge syllabus eno nga tunabagenda mu maaso ntera okwerabira nti kati mba ntuninze mugambeko bannammwe utilitarian baleme bafula utility mulekerawo okubeera desperate oli ku mawanga wagenda kukola oli mu winter mbukubanga otidde okubeera wekka n'ofunayo omusajja for utilitarian ajje alye sente z'okoze mu bugubi obwo bannange mbagulire obukadde ng'oli mukazi nga tolina sente nze sinnatuukayo naye nakisomako it is a pain. So you better save that money for your future, invest it wisely and get back your mindset nti ne bw'onaabeera wekka ng'oli ku kifi kya nkoko okaddiwa bulungi than in that pain of emotional usage. Bakola utilitarian ojjudde obusungu yate ne sente bazitwala. 10 years is going to be spent for that girl to make that money again. I think I need to get out. So boundaries protect you for falling in trap of utilitarian relationships. They will help you to reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and it will get rid of confusion. Excuse me. Look at me. I don't have it. I know who I am. I know what I want. I know where I'm going. I found my purpose in life. I live it. I'm always with it. So, come any emotional mess. Even my partner knows you are better being serious. Because I know what I want. I know what I want. Until when you know what you want, it's very hard to set boundaries in life. What you stand for and what you don't stand for. So there is no chance of utilitarian in me or go for utility. I have enough on my plate to take care of. So in emotional boundaries, you protect your feelings from loss. You separate your feelings from feelings of other people. You stop blaming others for your failure in life, even if others blaming you for their failure, because emotionally, if you're stable, you don't sacrifice yourself for other people, like how women do it. This girl sacrificed for the other person, and look at where she is. By the way, let me tell you something. No matter how kind you are, because women, we are kind and we are naturals. It doesn't take away the fact that if somebody puts you in utility relationship, paradise. But if you're on earth, it is a high price to pay. We tried it, and I'm talking from experience. I told you my story at the age of 67. And you know why I am talking from authority. You had better be careful of utility relationships, because I don't talk what I don't know, or what I've not seen before, or what I've not read about. I talk from authority. Utilitarian. You rather stay single and lonely than being in utility, because no matter how much you supply the utility, one day the utilitarian person will find another person who will supply more than you, and they will take off. They will take off. So it's not a basis of emotional health to be with someone who is putting you in a position of utility relationship that one time you will not supply what they want. It will end. And it is not the foundation to build truth. So boundaries are protecting you. Enyandula. Hey, sawa zebuse. Tetuna yotwa kuse. Era munansonyiwa. Ebisigadde mulibisanga mukulu. So emotional boundaries kitegeeza olekera okola ekise kitagasa. Toyina mpisa mbi. You're just being smart. Kitegeeza wakolako ku kisa already katono mwana yayize. Sirowooza nti alida mu kikola ekyo. Ne school fees zabadde za wakulu nnyo. School fees yazasudde zabadde nnene nnyo. School fees eyo yabadde nnene nnyo. Mwe mufite n'omukisa nti tubibagambe. Abali kuno ng'oli below the age of 35, 25, you are lucky. We didn't have people tell us this. Into why you need to come to a utility relationship. It's why the human, and then you fell into it. So fear of abandonment, losing a relationship, being judged that you're cold-hearted, or fear that you're going to hurt others are the reasons why women don't set boundaries. Nothing that is setting up. Only now you know itawo bumugeza ko kubera bakisa. Ono mwana ekyamu tuseko she will live to tell. If she lives alone, this is the story to tell forever. And it was high school fees. The school fees is so don't fear. When we talk about boundaries, it is safeguarding you. Oyatazagala zingiramu kitegeeza nawe takwagala. So no one erimba era ajja kukola ki? Ajja kukuba. Ajja kukuba. So what are the signs that you're not communicating your boundaries? What are the signs that you lack a boundaries? So hizo kwatu ogenda ngana tumanyi tina wenyini wazibula dda. Are you feeling discomfort in the relationship you're in? Are you feeling resentment or sungu? Are you feeling stress? Yeah? Are you feeling anxiety in the relationship? Or are you feeling guilt or fear? When you know we can about to setting boundaries. That is not a healthy relationship. And now we are Nante Susan. Hey, the bigambo bimbagamba bigenda bakula ina bagambe wano emotional happiness. Kuba yamba kula nti mwetereza inside. Tusebingeko obulangu abantu abamu. Oba no ku avoid that be taken advantage of. Boundaries kuyamba. Oli katenda bakubannanga ekidamu. Oli wajana gamba njaga tugire mu business. Musajja naye temuli bafumbo oba yenyini mufumbo oba bwoli mufumbo you had better set boundaries ekintu ekyo bagenda kumpiramu because emotions will come in n'omukyala ayinza obeera akiyiwa kyonna. How do you invest with my husband as who awugamba naye wakosa kisa let's get over the shit. So it means no matter how much attraction you have to over somebody, go with it offer. Sparks is equal with it. Yeah? When now this is who's the pimples? Go back to your head. It doesn't matter how much emotions we have in a relationship, it will cloud our reasoning. The reasoning, the truth is, this is a married man I'm going to invest money with, and he has a wife and family. And they have a life there. How shall we separate money? And without having any emotional issues, if not to feel that in Bakoleda. These things are happening in your lives. The CEO. They're happening. Boundaries. So when you don't have boundaries, go really discomforted, or really stressed, all that kind of day, be later emotional alignment. That's why most of the time men and women are stressed. They lose identity. Baba stressed all the time, but I say, Baba wanya. Katina wawali msajja ngoli kukuno mkutu. Chusa, wawali woman take a woman. Mushtage, biebimu. Zemba wali just a gen of you. So when you want to set boundaries, your manya is, what am I responsible for in this thing? Am I responsible for my happiness, my behaviors, my choices, and my feelings? You, not another person. What? Don't push that responsibility to somebody else. So emotional boundaries tuzimenya because we're trying to transfer obuvunanyizibwa bafukuza ku bantu abalala in that lie of we are lovers. Munaye kumbe wewe nzijjamu essanyu lyange singa taliwo banaye simanyi we nandibadde. This relationship is better than the first one. The first one I had, this is a it is human nature. These are all just experiences, different experiences, but everything is the same. So when you guys setting boundaries, be responsible for your happiness, your behavior, your choices, and your feelings. And you're not responsible for other people's happiness, behaviors, choices, and feelings. Leko omuntu aleme kujja kugamba kale ngenda fiira ku mawanga ondese nfiire eno gwewe kabwe nina mu nsi. We are 7 point something billions in this world. How can someone make you responsible? And then you send them money. Wanga kulaza afanyo. So singamba nti omutima gwange mugumu. No, it's because I'm looking from experience. At the end of the day, ajja kuva mu buzibu bwalimu. It's not you responsible for their problems. Ekyo kyekisobola okutomeza abawala bano. Nti amumaliddeko obulamu bwe bwenda, he's your everything, she's my everything. They are going to steal you, sweetheart. Relationships change, time changes, people change because of circumstances, situations, problems. Abantu batuuka enkya neggulo. So you cannot define yourself on that person nti ogenda mufiirako singa tomuyambye, tomujja mu buzibu, mufuddensi. And lastly, you're in an emotional mess. They take your money, they waste your time, they have entered your feelings. It is a thing which is not defined. You're in it, and every day the mind is, and then you cannot be productive. Emotional health, mental health, zero. You cannot be productive at your workplace and in your life. It becomes a job. Every day you have to think about this person because they took away your your value, everything. Protect yourself. Protect yourself. So if you don't set boundaries in a fear that if I set them, agenda kuduka, agenda kundekawo, nasigala nzekka, tanzirukeko, you'll get a vote. I am setting boundaries to stop confusion, to be productive in life, to have an healthy relationship. No matter whether somebody feels what at the end of the day, relationships change every time. By the time a relationship changes, or he changes, or she changes, I am protected already. Emotionally. Hey, emotionally. Ebintu byomulinga ebisaga naye essanyu ly'omuntu liba mu emotions. Tebakulimbanga. It doesn't matter how much money you have on account. It doesn't matter how many investments you have, as long as you make a wrong choice in a mate, in a partnership, in a relationship, it is enough. It will compensate with all those billions you have. It doesn't matter. And that's why I took on this as work for social lives. I majored in it. I professionalized myself in this so that I help people stabilize their emotional selves. Bugaga. Botayinza kukwata ku tebulinga ssente naye essanyu lye bugaba bwenkanakana ssente bwenkanakana ebintu ebirala byonna. And without this you will be out of alignment. The stories are on and on and on. I can't say it all. Where people are put in utilitarian relationships, they give up their visions in a relationship hoping it's going to lead somewhere, and along the way it is against it. Which is think because they were setting boundaries. So you're not responsible for people's happiness. You're not responsible for people's behaviors. It's only God who takes a human heart, not you. So people can lie, people can be deceit, people can fake. You can never open somebody's heart. Impossible. Not even a child. So why don't you emotionally get mature? Mugambe, oh, you know wagamba munange, kakati oyagala nfe fa. Mugambe fa. Olabo bana fa. Get out of those emotional games. So if you're ready to be a leader as a woman, if you're ready to be a counselor as a woman, if you're ready to be a business leader, a CEO in a company, and you've not solved your emotional issues, in other words, that don't emotionally mature, you're not ready for that position. You're not ready. Don't namalirira. All those women, they were faked emotionally. Otherwise, no one would want to be that. They are struggling with families to raise their children. Kati mwerimbe, mugamenti kansala bya ene video kenda genda ku YouTube bagamba. Eja kumala emyaka emyala mingi nnyo. Gowuliranga nga go and revisit it. Boundaries, you set them. In due time. Commercial break. Twina master's class, counselors master class. Nsomesa abantu abakyala abagala okufuuka aba counselor, leaders, politicians, life coach. I told you it is a mindset change. Kinzikiriza. Tosobola genda kufuga abantu balala, tosobola kulembera abantu balala nga tonnaba kwetereza emotionally ng'omukazi. It's hard. They will ride on you. You must have a male mindset in a female body, with a female smile, but with the head of a man. Mariam, tell you. You will not make money, grow rich when your emotions are down. Uchali mukabyoka emotions ngononya sente. Bajjazibwa. Ojjazikola ukaddemo bikawudde ku account, omuntu akukyamule, akubasanyaze, next day check what you want to get. Sente zigenze. Use the emotions. So until when a woman has grown into the mental aspect of having a male brain on a female body, you're not ready to be a leader. Don't even disturb yourself. They have an art. Emotionally destabilized, get value. Ow. So in this class, we are training women who want to be counselors, politicians, leaders in any field. I'm giving you the gist. Ndimu bawa birungo ebifuula omukyala omukulembeze mu field gy'olimu. Obelenga kyali emotionally dull. Gy'oli akwata kuno. N'okyamukalako kwe kukola ebintu ebiri emotional mu profession. Excuse me. So I'm introducing all the concepts I learned along the way with my life. As you see, I'm not a normal person. I'm not normal like any other woman. Yeah, because I have a mentor. Mentor just the mental aspect is not a woman. One. That's what we do. Omukazi gamuleka wano wansi. Ne one. Bajja kubakuba. So, authors, leaders, buli antayagala mujoyinike class yaffe tusomesa mindset change, public speaking skills, presentation skills, reading and writing skills. Abagala fuka ba authors zentuseeyo kati njaga bigabira balala. We give practical training skills in these grounds. We help you discover your true calling in life. Okubanga mwine ekintu kyomalirako laavuyo mulekera okukaaba emitima. Lwaki bababba bayidawo? Lwaki abakazi bababba? Kubanga temufunye passions. Nabagambye wentunuulira graph yange ne byenneetaaga sirina utilitarian waayita. Ogenda okujja bwega kunfula utility ebintu nina bingi ebyokukola. Discover your calling. Have a purpose. Nti oli wajja okufuula utility talina waayita. I'm training my women. These women who signed up for a program. Mujja kubalaba kwanza njagaliza musina nsonga lwaki embitereka Katonda yampa byabwerere. So we have certificates at the end of this course, and then we shall give you practical training grounds to try what you've learned, and then we shall set you free to go and do your callings. So we're training counselors of counselors, like coaches, political leaders, business leaders, and anybody interested in growth in your life. Let this woman train you. Commercial break. Tell her jogging every evening. I jog. So jogging mpaka I pass there in Nakasero, Wagulu, then I pass by the State House. So I came back late, unfortunately. Then I had to pass by the State House, then I just never knew Melissa. So just numbers, madam. Aren't you aware that you're not supposed to pass here this time? Never what's wrong with it. No, you see, never come back. No, listen to me. I'm jogging, I'm doing my weekly activity. You always see me passing here. What's wrong with me? Passing here. Because it is late, never come, I go delayed. So never wait abana. Bamba the uniform, bakute mundu, nimkazo. They were exchanging, I was exchanging. I wasn't even moved. So then last time I said, but name Mukazikwe. Don't you know he's a woman? Nambuza. Namukaba, so what does that mean? Musina kaya na mukwa mkute mo. So when I put down in temple, I don't say you are nangamba. You come in a nasaza bakutomo, bamusto is an angel. Nagin to go out. At all, but only about the simple Akidis or maybe I gave them a memory of their life. Then or name Mutas and Buganang and Mariam. What did they say? Listen. The moment you know who you are, I don't need to fear those badges. What is the moon at the end of the day? Okay, but if they shoot me, that was my day. So don't fear. Fear nothing. Fear nothing. Nobody has authority over your life. Nobody, apart from the Creator. The Creator, not even your mother will give back. So the sinner put you. So I just pause and never come watching you. Never come means being chance. You're not the only one. Every evening I have to jog. I go up there. So don't stop me. I can go anywhere I want. Mariam Nabuja. So program eno ejja kuyamba okulaakulanya obulamu bwo. Baagala ogisoma. Baba sharing the number eyo 772831057. Just send a message. Omuwala ajja kuddamu abuli emiterera mulina okuyita. Tetwagala buli omu. We only want serious people interested in leadership. Not any woman. Mwabachi ali mulaba. Passion. Katubasabire. So, about the commercial break. Boundary traps in relationships. We'll take out into the trap. Net boundaries in a traps. By the trapping out to get them with relationship with the traps. What are you getting a bobino? Manual trap can be so many. I am a nobody without him. I am a nobody without her. I have to do anything to make my partner happy because without them, I'm nothing. Boundary trap. This relationship is better than the last one I had. This one is the best. The other one wasted my time. No relationship is better than the other. The other one was an experience different from this one. Even this one time will be useless when you get another one. So either way, don't even define it. Margaret said, hey, we are fiercely men. Never just see what I know mundu negendereza. Negendereza. Never can be this is a woman's body on a male mind. Nange simanyi banzala bwe batu kati jaga chiwa balala. Huh? My partner would be lost without me. Oh yeah, when I'm talking about emotional mess. My partner would be lost without. I would be lost without my partner. Temogeza wabantu bagita bate meza ya tebatuzaaka abakulu mwogeze kumukolo. Don't give them a pulpit. Oli omufuula nti afuuse ka small board. Without that man, I don't know what I would have done. Without that woman, that is a human being. They'll change. And they change. Nobody, no experience is different. We just go through life like that. So whatever I work without my partner, I would be nothing. You have a problem in your head. That's a boundary trap. Roingi demo, talking about boundaries. Wanga, without him, without her, I would be nothing. I spend most of my time chasing my partner's dreams, visions. I have no time for my own. Hold it up. A human being. You're setting up yourself for disappointment. So what you going to get baby? Is in a boundary trap. You're setting a boundaries. Relationship you know multitude, you know making it happen. Without them, I am nothing. Wake up. So make a commitment to your life. to put your own feelings, your own vision, ideals first. Temwerekayo bannange abakyala bakikwanya buli omu naali aye n'afikira bwasanyusa bantu. You always make yourself last. Tebeerabirira n'alabirira buli omu abaana aye n'abaana babulire bakula abaana bubalaba bagenda kufumbirwa bagenda kukwasa omukubire n'essimu agambe mami am so busy, let me see whether I will see you over next week. They have destinies of their own. They will never be you. Every child on earth has a destiny. I'm a writer. My daughter may never be a writer. Never. They may even be a musician from a writer. That's what she is. So don't trade your life, your happiness for other people. That's the beginning of an emotional trap. Of feeling at back with the sense. No, I go banja abantu kale kundi ona mukolya buli kimu neerabira ne mugumikiza omusajja oyo mbwako mazima ddala namuwa buli kimu ne mwemaliramu neeraba afunye balala. You put yourself in an emotional trap. Emotional trap. Omutali boundary. Just believe that you're okay the way you are, the way you sang. If you're talkative, be. If you're dark, stay dark the way you are. If you're big, be big. And I the way you for other people. Why? Because at the end of the day, you're becoming who you're not. And you're not it. Let go of fixing others. Don't fix people. I am jobless. I am still looking for a job. Omanyi munange, sina munange. Abantu bange bafa. Nakulya wasenga wange. Ate kojja wange. Omwana najja n'ebizibu ebiti. And you start to fix them. I tell you, you're setting up yourself for an emotional trap. Sasoma. Ntizayo ku ssomero. Anti bazadde bange bamperera emotional trap. Don't fix people. Stop it. Because nobody has succeeded at that. There's simply the one on one share them. You fix another person against a guy, against a so many centers. No one. What about you? Abachala baganja ogenda okusoma ng'omwami are performing a masters. Omuntu yasoma ali ku diploma. If not certificate, but ali ku masters. Wamala masters goes for the level. Do you think when someone goes through a masters and a PhD, you are at their level? And do you think that bali bafanagana bendoza agenda kwolekadde kugwa ine ndowooza ya wansi wake up? So you have better taken care of yourself, control of yourself, and thought about yourself also to have an emotional equilibrium. Otherwise, if you waste sadaka, sacrificing the rest of your time. I'm talking from authority because of what the stories I've had in my office, the messages that have come on my phone, the books I've read, my experiences, and I'm talking from experience. Muno nga dda okusoma masters okola ki? Omuntu ng'agenda agenda n'agenda n'akola n'alaba abakazi n'abeera sharp. The mind is moving. You're at home seated. Doing nothing. So let go of feeling of needing to be needed. Fixing people. Munange, anti njagala banjagale. Funeyo ku bantu bange banage, re-own yourself. True love is between mother and child, God and man. Anything else is conditional. Full stop. Mbagambe utilitarian betulimu kati. Utility. Ampachi, muwachi. Betulimu. So you can't depend on this life of ours, in this utilitarian society, and you invest all yourself in this relationship thing, or what you think, what you call it, thing, and then you end up with nothing. When you clock 69, 70, remember my words. If you're still alive, I go ahead of my life, I go back in the past, and I come where I am when I'm speaking. So wake up. Changing yourself to fit others, it is wrong. Let go of feeling of that need to be needed. Man can never appreciate. People never appreciate us. They forget easily. Today you're famous, tomorrow you have to remind them that you were once famous. Huh? Fame is fleeting. People are famous today, tomorrow nobody remembers them. As if they've never even in fame. So why do you have to give up your visions, your aspiration, your order for just that thing of njagala abantu needing me? Oh man. So when you come to that mindset, what I'm telling you now, that's what but just never come excuse me because I don't give a damn. You never yoda. Never yoda. And never I left them in history. At some point those when you say, yeah, you don't go to your home. Listen, you are better being careful. Well, now you approach me. It's okay. So emotional boundaries are needed for you not to be in utility of in relationships and confused, frustrated, depressed, stressed because you made wrong decision in your life. And when you learn to set the boundaries, baby girl, man, you're going to have a happy life because you don't have qualms with people, boundaries. So boundaries start with saying no to what you don't want and yes to what you want. Boundaries start to communicate what you expect and what you don't expect in a relationship. To speak up if you feel uncomfortable over something, this is not right. But don't settle for anything which is that you think, definition. Put yourself first and remember what I've said. Human nature is deceptive. Human nature forgets, even if fame fleets. And you have to remind people that I was once famous. So there is no reason of not putting yourself first, sacrificing yourself for others, fixing people, and you don't fix yourself. Because at the end of life, I told you, even your own child, no man Mommy, I'm with my family. Let me see whether I will see you on Wednesday next week. Let me try. I hope. So, take care of you first. We live once. I told you this retina. Nobody has it in this life. Nobody will ever have it. It means you are an original, not a duplicate, and nobody will ever repeat this life again. You've left. So if you've lived unhappily, you've lied yourself, you've duped yourself for relationships, and then they use you, manipulate you, make you utility where you're cheating. And you're responsible. I told you, boundaries begin by saying, I am responsible for my happiness, my choices, my everything in life, my identity. Nobody cares. Isn't that amazing? And by the way, it is willpower. God gave it to all of us. We make choices. Only animals don't have this. Animals depend on instincts. We depend on our will. To choosing. We have the will. We have the will. So, healthy relationships are calm, safe, supportive, taken care of, and unconditional. You feel accepted. You don't feel manipulated by bringing up any past offenses into present, manipulating you. Therefore, be free to be who you are. Set boundaries. Set boundaries. So if you want emotional health, mental health, have some boundaries in relationships. Never mix professional boundaries with romantic boundaries, with personal boundaries. Time is against us, yet I have a lot to tell you. Professionally, we're not going to boundaries. Personally, we're in boundaries. Romantically, as a romantic partner with somebody, that's what's in the boundaries. So, what we are setting the boundaries? One, define, identify who you are, first of all. Identify the desired boundaries nti nze saagala bino na bino mu relationship. Sijja teeka sente na musajja gusitakumbikwa tukole business yeemu kubanga baŋŋamba ebiseera ebisinga bijja kumala nga ndi utility. Sijja teeka sente mu mukazi gusitanda bakuwasa kubanga nja kumala nga ndi utility. But like I have stories, even men. I have a story, many. In fact, 3 men came in one day with the same story, different places. I invested in her education. I invested in her, but I am being told she's getting married. Somebody's dating her. Mama wange tanfaako nakabire na be careful of people who come with stories of their emotional self into a relationship to make you emotionalized. Before you realize you get into what you think, no jaga can persevere and you're in for a long haul. Be very careful. So the first step in setting boundaries is define, identify the boundaries you want to set. Wegamba bugambi nti nze sijja nteeka sente na muntu bw'ati. Sijja kuyambira musajja mufumbo. Saagala setting a boundaries ezigwe. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a life. Communicate. Simugambe nga bwenkugamba. I want to do business with you. Are we lovers? Are we friends? It's just business partner, just business partner. Oh, can I get my lawyer? Don't enter that emotional thing. Mulitade musende bamalizane ne mugenda ko mufuna mu sexual intimacy bwe wamala kuyiwa mu oxytocin no fuka compromised no kola tesene goziweleza ye kubango li emotionalized by the sexual experience. That kind of confusion is the cause of everyone's pain. So everything must be clear from the beginning or never. Mariam Naguja, the Ladies Guide. So what was defining at your data? No communicating a jari. I had to talk it up when you don't explain. You want to ask to be business partners. Okay, let me bring my lawyer. We may sign an agreement. Hey, Chifukesha lawyer. Kubanga gamba business partnership. They tell him emotional engagement. Why can't a lawyer be involved? Because Kadeshutasa is in the Gano Simukwano. Toswala. It is your time, it is your age, it is your money, it is your sanity. Go again to Guadalu. You'll cry the night alone. Stay simple, don't over-explain. Let me share this with my lawyer, we shall get back to you. Sorry about that, someone interrupted. So stay simple, don't over-explain. Set consequences why you need the boundaries to protect yourself, and never regret. So, tuli kunkomengerero we are summarizing the boundaries. Tujja kubandulira boundaries in dating, boundaries in marriage, boundaries in life. Sisobola byogera byonna mu lusoma luno eribadde enyanjula. Why you need boundaries and how to set them. Mariam, the Ladies Guide. I'm an author. Now, the Ladies Guide to Fulfilling Relationships and True Happiness. The Ladies Guide to Emotional Happiness. Boundaries. The Ladies Guide, Jano, Kekatabo Akakuyamba, Uteleza Enewira Yonge. Uliango moyo kugira bwe buti ogenda vuma omuntu ngenda kuuzi ngenda temba omuntu tota muntu banange kwate kalamu n'olupapula n'abasomesa mu katabo kanga Ladies Guide to Emotional Happiness. Wandika ku experience obudde butuweddeko muwulira, wandika ku experience eyo ojja kufuna emotional health. Oba oyagala kuyiga how to journal your emotional health down to get back to sanity, tekatabo kanga bawandikira topic yasembayo bayita journaling to emotional health. Gamaze okuzuula nti ebitawanya abakyala biri myoyo munda, no matter how much you talk. You can't find solutions until when you find the answer within. I'm a business lady. Perfumes, seasons munda. Mugenda kuseta siyanga alondako gwenguza. tulina shoes, bags. I now imported bags and shoes. Abachala muwadire Mariam. Ate data quality is guaranteed nga mundaba. I'm a person of quality. Saga ni fake. I'm a counselor. Bobo ino kutabulwa bikusobedde ononya bwoyire ekyama ekyo ekya utility tekyogerwa mu bantu. Teri goyinza gamba I am in a utility think. Jango kigambe Mariam. Kubanga miwulidde tujja kisekeramu. Kisesa kikaabye naye nga kyewuunyisa engeri gy'okiyingira because omukwano gwakusinza amagezi. Mwebale kubeera part of the show. In case it's your very first time on this, the ladies guide, Mariam Nabuja page, like, share the page, ne bakwanowo mubagambe buli lwakutaano ku ssaawa 11 omukyala Tereza enyo mugende mu weekend nga tekuta kusata omwoyo kuli bwe guti atole ne kwebaka. In case it's your very first time on my YouTube channel, Mariam Nabuja, the ladies guide, subscribe for more of these videos. Tujazibaterangayo for your future health. Bowuliranga utabudwa genda ku Mariam the ladies guide. Ujasangayo video egenda okuyamba. Bateredeyo video bungi. Dating in the digital world. Bateredeyo single mom's guide. Bateredeyo a lot of it. Emotional wellness guide. Mu video bitini kwebuti. Lugendo olondeka akakukolera kawulirize twala obuddewo nga okwate kalamu n'olupapula bwoti. I'm sure by the end of every video something has been added in your life. My major purpose is your emotional health. And our slogan is emotional wellness. Your passion, your emotional wealth is my passion. My passion is your emotional health. Mwebale kubeera naffe. Till next week, same time, Friday, ndinamwe twogere ku nsonga mbongereyo boundaries in dating. Nsalo tuzikubye tutya nga tuli mu dating. Bwe tunamala ensalo basi kuba batya nga tuli kufumbo kubanga mmaze obbalaga nti ne bw'otaazikube ojja kumaliza ng'oli mu utente. Men waste money, women waste time. Either way, if you're using your money and time together, that's a boomerang. Mwebale kubeera naffe, mbaagala nnyo, nja kwongera obbaweereza as long as I live. Thank you so much.